Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Makbar from Group 5 Section 2. Today I am pleased to present to you guys Sky Spray Solution. What is Sky Spray Solution? Sky Spray Solution is a trailblazer in agriculture service offering advanced drone-based spraying solution for pesticides and fertilizer. Our company is committed to transforming farming practice through smarter, faster and greener technologies. By using drones for precise application, we help farmers reduce chemical usage, minimize environmental impact, and protect workers from harmful exposure. With a dedicated team of skilled drone pilots, agri-tech specialists, and support staff, we aim to enhance farm productivity, improve crop health, and promote sustainable agriculture. Our vision is to lead in drone-based farming solution across Malaysia and beyond, driving innovation and efficiency in modern agriculture. Okay, this is our organization chart. At Sky Spray Solution, our teams work together in deliver precise and efficient drone spraying service. The operations manager oversees daily activities, coordinate department, and ensure safety and efficiency. Our drone pilot, which is me, operates and maintains drone, ensuring safe and accurate spraying. The field specialist surveys farm and provide essential data for precision application. And lastly, our marketing executive builds client relationship and promotes for service, while the finance officer manages budgets, reporting and admin tasks to keep operations smooth.
For our SWOT analysis, first, what was done, we have drone, and our drone is for spraying. It is fast, accurate and safer, a lot of labor, and then usually cover up to 6 hectares per hour. And also our drone has smart GPS and sensor. And third, our drone have training for workers to handle drone. Second, for our weakness, we have high cost, which is cost for equipment and operational. Second, we have to train the members for handling the drone. And third, we have to depend on getting many customers to achieve our break-even point. For our opportunity, we can join smart farming. Is it a great opportunity for us to expand our business, and then we can get support from government, and then we can expand by offering an extra service. For our side, we can get competitors for other drone service, which is a drone for spraying also. And also we got change in drone law, and also for our last track is in for maintaining reserve, especially at skills parts industry.
So firstly, I will explain about the business proposal. For business proposal, focus on offering farmers a smarter and safer way to manage their crops. We provide drone-based pesticide and fertilizer spray, which is precise and reduce the chemical waste. Second, basic crop monitoring, so farmer can get early information about their field condition. Third, customer training, so they can understand how to make the most of our service. Last but not least, marketing and partnership with the local farmer and agriculture supplier to expand our network. These all services are designed to help farmers increase their productivity, reduce costs, and protect their health and their environment. For our business model Canva BMC, you can see on the slide we have many of them. Here are the key points that I highlighted, which is first the key partners, key activity, value proposition, customer segment, and last but not least is customer structure and revenue stream. For the key partners, farmer and agriculture suppliers. Second, which is the key activity, operating the drone, spraying, monitoring, training, and customer support. Third is a value proposition, accurate, which is efficient and eco-friendly spraying that save time, reduce chemical use, and improve the crop yields. Fourth is a customer segment, mainly small and medium-sized farm owners who want to adopt modern technology. Lastly, the cost structure and revenue stream. We keep a cost manageable through the efficiency of operation and generate a revenue through the service charge for spraying and monitoring. These core areas make our business feasible, practical, and competitive. Next, I will explain about benchmarking. Our benchmarking compare our drone with the spraying method to the traditional manual spraying. I already put on my slide side to side the criteria that I compared, but I will highlight. From our study, we found that the traditional method often waste chemical, take more time, and expose farmer to harmful substance. But by using a drone, provide more precise spraying, faster work, less chemical use, and better safety for farm works. So we can conclude our service clearly has significant advantage. So the next slide is tell about the machinery that involved, and I will calculate the cost, which is we have 9 items shown as a slide. We have calculated the estimate procurement cost for our drone and related equipment to be RM 63,300. These costs cover drone batteries, spare part, and tool needed for maintenance. This cost also is reasonable and necessary to deliver a high quality and reliable service.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Adib. So now I will present about ownership costs. As for ownership costs are fixed, and this include insurance, taxes, interest if any loan are involved. The initial cost is mentioned in the total estimated from which include an agricultural drone that we use, which is DJI August 10, pilot gear and safety kit transport vehicle will be about 63,300 ringgit Malaysian. So for the insurance and other, we estimate it as shown on the table on the slide. So for an example, the utility office, which is about 4,000 per year, drone maintenance about 2,000 per year. So next we will move to the next part. Moving on to the operating cost for our services, the operating cost that we use, which is electricity, fertilizer, and generator fuel. As for electricity, the battery charging will take about 50 cents per hour, and then 1 hour charging can use to up to 6 hectare. And next one is fuel, which is transport vehicle and generator, which is we estimate as 50 cents per kilometer. And we assume 6,000 km per year will equal to 3,000 per year. And then for the fertilizer, we average it as 3 liter per hectare. So the fertilizer price, which is common, which is about 5 ringgit per liter. So the total operating cost per hectare is about 50 ringgit and 32 cents. So for the total cost per year, which is consist of ownership cost and operating cost. As for ownership cost, we estimated about 310,500 ringgit. As for the operating cost, which is RM 15 ringgit and 32 cents per hectare.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Iskandar, and I will be presenting on our financial plan. So, regarding our cost, I have divided it into 2 parts, which is variable cost and also the fixed cost. Whereby our variable cost would be around RM 15 ringgit 32 cents per hectare unit, and our fixed cost I have divided it into 2 parts, which is the procurement cost and also ownership cost, with the total sum up of 373,800 ringgit. Considering the 2 type of costs, we would have our total cost, which is assuming we need to sell around 1,000 hectare per year. The equation will come out with the total cost of ringgit Malaysia 389 ringgit and 120. Next, we'll be talking about the profit margin. So we have divided our type of service into 3 parts, which is basic, moderate, and premium. And the calculation will be considering as basic package, which is the price of 150 ringgit. So with the price of 150 ringgit, we would have a profit margin rate around 89.78%. So with that profit margin, we will come up with the break-even analysis. So assuming we wanted to reach break-even in our first year, based on the calculation that I have shown on the slide, we would have to sell around 2,776 hectares of spray in our first year to reach the break-even in the first year.
Okay, to start our business, we require a total cost of 389,120 ringgit. We plan to secure a business loan of 400,000 ringgit with an interest rate of 4% per year. Using the compound amount factor for a single payment, the future loan value after 5 years is calculated as F equal to 400,000 times in bracket 1 plus 0.04, which is interest rate, to the power of 5, which is equal to 486,661 ringgit 16 cent. Alternatively, if we aim to self-fund the 400,000 needed within 5 years without loan at an interest rate of 0.35% per year, we calculated the present worth as P equal to 400,000 divided by in bracket 1 plus 0.0035, which is the interest rate, to the power of 5, which is equal to 393,060 ringgit. This shows the financial planning required for our business funding strategy. Okay, for our funding plan, we explore present worth factor series payment P over A. Assuming we repay 50,000 ringgit annually for 5 years at 4% interest rate, the loan value is P. After substitute in the formula, the P is equal to 222,591 ringgit 25 cent. And we also consider saving for an emergency fund using the compound amount factor series payment F over A. By saving 5,000 per month for 5 years at 0.35% annual interest, the future value is F. By substitute in the equation, the F value is Rm 302 ringgit to 550 ringgit 93 cents. This demonstrates careful financial planning for both loan repayment and saving.
So moving on to the determination of monthly installment, a total of 302,550 ringgit 93 cents was paid to the bank. The entire sum is financed by a bank loan with a 4% interest rate and a 5-year payback period. To calculate the monthly payment for the financial loan, we employ the A per F method and the compound interest method to calculate the current and upcoming cost for taking the sinking fund component into account. So we employ the A per F technique. F is the total amount owed to the bank and A is the amount of the monthly payment. So as you can see on the slides, there are cash flow diagram with F value. Since the value of I equal to 4% per year, F equal to 302,550 ringgit 93 cents and N, which is equals to the total of year, which is 5. So by using the A per F formula, substitute the value into the formula, so you will get the A value, which is 55,850 ringgit 90 cents. As for the compound interest table method, as you can see on the slide, there are compound interest table for 4%. So substitute into the compound interest table formula, which is we will get the A value, which 55,850 ringgit 90 cents. So compare between the two methods, we choose the A value from the compound interest table, which is 55,850 ringgit 90 cents. So 1 year is equal to 12 months. So we divided the A value with 12. So we will get the monthly installment they need to pay to the bank is about 4,654 ringgit 24 cents for 5 years. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Now I will be presenting about three important economic evaluation methods that commonly used in engineering and business decision making, which is present work, future work, and annual work analysis. For present work, we use to calculate the current value of all future plans flows. Is it useful when we want to know how much we need to invest now to achieve a future goal? For the formula, we use a slide in our slide, and then also we use A, which is 50,000 ringgit, and I for 4%, and then N for 5 years. For the answer, we got 222,000 ringgit 590 cents, which is viable, and also near the present work factor saving, which is 222 ringgit 591 ringgit, 222,000 ringgit 591 ringgit 125 cents. For future work analysis, we use it to help us find out how much the present amount also will be work in the future. This is useful when we want to focus our savings, investment, and future financial application. The formula is given in the slide, and the USP is 400,000 ringgit, and for the I, we use 4%, and also annual ideas. We got about 480,761. It allows us to project our investment growth in the future outcome. For annual analysis, is always convert cash flow into equal value amount. Is it make easy to compare the different projects on annual basis, especially if they have different lifespans of construction. For the formula, which is like in the formula, and also we use P, which is 22,000 ringgit and 501.25, which is we use present work factor series value 1, I, which is 4%, and N, which is 5 years, and the answer is like this slide. Next diagram is used to visualize the schedule for our business project, and it shows our start and end date for each task, and also have trades movement, and about the task is distributed, and also we ensure the task is complete like in the outline.
Last but not least, I will conclude today's presentation. So, as presented by the previous presenter, we have looked into three types of work, which is present work, future work, and annual work. And the numbers are shown on my slide. So, to conclude this, our task for today's presentation, we can say that our business is a financially visible and sustainable business, and the plan supports long-term growth, profitability, and innovation. With consistent acquisition, the business is well positioned for success. That's all from me, and thank you.